Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy and sell Solana meme coins on BullX. In order to do it, you first need to use the link that is given in the description so that you could come to BullX and successfully create your account on it without having any problem of the BullX early access problem. Now, once you are on BullX, the first thing that you need to do is to simply make sure that you deposit some Solana in your account. Now, if you don't know how to deposit Solana, then you can check out the video that I have created on my channel so that you could know how to deposit or fund your BullX account with Solana. Now, once you are on the home page of BullX, you need to simply hover over to the left hand section and click on chains. So since we want to trade meme coins on based on Solana, so you need to simply uncheck all the other chains or networks over here and only select Solana, so that in the new pairs section BullX will show you all of the meme coins that are based on the Solana network. It would be very easy for you to segregate the Solana network with the other meme coins. Now in the new pair section, you just have to simply select the particular coin based on your own trading knowledge, which coin you want to purchase. So you can either pick that coin in the new pairs list, or if you want to pick the coin from pump.fun, then you can click on the pump vision section, and here you can see the new creations about to graduate and graduated. So here, let's say I want to buy this particular coin over here that is named as CryptoPunks. So you need to simply click on the coin that you want to purchase. In the right hand section, you will be able to see the methods with the help of which you can make buy and selling, and this is the chart of the coin that you have selected, where you can put the indicators and some of other metrics over here. Now in the right hand section, first we have two options. First is the market order and the second one is the limit order. So if you don't know what is the difference between these two, then let me tell you. If you purchase any of the coins on the market order, then it will purchase the coin on the current working price of that particular coin. But if you set the limit order, then you can put your own price, and then you can wait until your coin come to that price in order to place the order. So this is the difference between these two. Now for quick results, you might be trading in the market order. You can select market order over here. In the right hand section, you will be able to see the amount of Solana that you have in your account. So in the amount section, you can either use these presets, or you can even enter your own amount. Afterwards, it will show you the gas fees that you need to pay. That would be in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and in the bottom you will have the option of buy. So once you click on the buy option, your order will be placed and you will be able to see your position in the position section over here in the bottom. Similar is the case with selling. So you need to select the selling option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and as you can see that it is in the market order section. Here you need to enter the amount of coin that you want to sell. You can use these presets like 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. After that, it will show you the amount of gas fees that you need to pay, and then click on the sell button in the bottom, and again you will be able to see your position in the orders section. So this way you can buy and sell Solana based meme coins on BullX. If you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.